1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Not 5 a.m., not rise and grind nonsense. Just 30 minutes. It's like finding a cheat code for your brain. 2. Read 10 pages a day. Books are basically USB drives for human wisdom. Plug in and download a lifetime's worth of experience in minutes. 3. The 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. It's procrastination's worst nightmare. 4. Plan your day the night before. Waking up without a plan is like opening Netflix with no idea what to watch. You'll waste half your life deciding. 5. Say no more often. Your time is precious. Guard it like it's your Netflix password. 6. Track your expenses. Once you see where your money goes, you'll stop leaking cash like a busted faucet. 7. Cut 1 digital distraction per week. Notifications are the mosquitoes of productivity. Swat them. 8. Smile, even if you feel like throwing your phone. It tricks your brain into thinking you're in control, and eventually, you will be. 9. Use timers. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. The Pomodoro technique, because your brain needs recess too. 10. Write 1 sentence of gratitude daily. Not corny, not woo-woo. It's literally mental weightlifting. 11th, compliment 1 person a day. Bonus. Watching them light up is free dopamine. 12. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed. Your phone will still be there in the morning. Your sleep, however, won't forgive you. 13. Stretch 2 minutes every hour. Sitting all day turns your body into a brick. Stretch or become furniture. 14. Drink water first thing. Coffee can wait. Your brain runs on H2O, not caffeine. 15. Declutter 1 thing daily. Your room is a mirror of your brain. If it looks like chaos, guess what's going on in your head? 16. Stand up 10 minutes every hour. Blood flow is free. Use it. 17th. Meditate for 5 minutes. Think of it as a software update for your brain. 18. Reflect on 1 win before bed. Even if it's, I didn't strangle anyone today. It counts. 19. Write down your biggest goal daily. Brainwash yourself successfully. 20. Limit sugar, unless you enjoy the mood swings of a toddler after cake. 21st. Step outside for 10 minutes. Nature is free therapy and doesn't require Wi-Fi. 22. Make your bed. Start with order. Watch it spread. 23rd. Unfollow 1 negative influence weekly. Your brain's feed should be premium content only. 24. Positive affirmations. Yes, you'll feel weird. Yes, it works. 25. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Chasing perfection is how you burn out. 26. Limit news intake. If the world's ending, trust me, you'll hear about it. 27. Eat 1 more vegetable daily. Your future self will thank you. 28. Learn 1 new word daily. Expanding your vocabulary is like upgrading your mental RAM. 29. Take 5 deep breaths when stressed. Built-in reset button, 0 downloads required. 30. Set 3 micro goals each morning. Tiny wins snowball into big wins. And hey, if you just learned even 1 thing that might make you 1% better, imagine what hitting the subscribe button could do. It's free, it's painless, and unlike most habits, it takes literally 1 second. So, go on, upgrade your brain.